Hey guys, what we're doing here is raising this bimini top up, temporary support in the bimini top. We're going to take the old boat lift out, put in a new boat lift, a little bit heavier capacity. We're going to get this roof shored up first so we can switch it out. The lift beams changed out now, just a matter of getting the canopy re-secured to the aluminum channel beams. New lift beam installed.
Do we have another 2x4?
Well, we got done in Gulf Breeze and we made it over to Navarre. Long day. Got the barge approaching the marina now, and then we'll get that thing secure. Then we'll be setting some boat lift pilings in the morning. This will be a good one then. Watch out, the chain didn't get balanced up real good, and I've got a lot more weight on one chain, see it?
This way, just a little bit.
All right, let's jet it.
Hey Dale, can you lift the pole up?
Thanks, sir. Look good? Woo, good save. Dry poles. Bottom, jet on my side, Chris. How you look, Scott?
It's good here.
Okay. Jet on my side, Chris. We gotta get the bottom to me.
Yes. Yep.
Help me get that up, Scott, so we can get that bottom over a little bit. Bottom still got to come out?
Yeah, looks like it's out.
Okay, go and drop the pipe down right there. what? Man, I'm just getting in the right spot. Be lucky to get it back out. Get that jet pipe all the way down. Keep it on this side, Chris, so we get it whole over here, okay?
Hey, Dawn.
Now your hands clear?
Clear.
Y'all stay away from that chain. It's gonna be a fun one to get out. It's probably 15 foot in the ground now. Got a pin float behind you. There you go. That did it. Did I do anything, Eric?
Scott, coming your way.
Dealing with 12 foot of water here, so we've got 3 layers of wrap that we're going to be installing on these pilings to prevent the Credo boreworms from eating pilings up. Hallelujah. I feel like the bottom might need to go that way. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, those pieces right there. See how sharp the end of that is? How's that look?
That's pretty good. Yeah. You're about this far from the bottom part of the rack.
Need to go down a little more?
About 6 inches.
Okay.
Hey, where is your line, Chris?
Good.
Okay.
Good?
You're good.
Nice. Got all the piling set. We got the lift crew coming this afternoon to get the lift installed. Guys, thanks for checking out this video here on installing these boat lifts. We're actually shoving off now. We're headed over to Gulf Breeze. We've got to work on that 120,000 pound boat lift. We're going to redo it. New cables, new pulleys, new shib bolts and all that. I'll post that just as soon as we get done. If y'all would, subscribe to the channel. You won't miss out on any of the projects. Thanks.